In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $200 on Cpagrip using this easy method. Literally, I started out using this method and I've made thousands of dollars using this method. So I'm going to share everything with you in this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And make sure to check out the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page right here, where you can enroll for this course and start making passive income with CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's get back into today's video. So you want to come over to your Cpagrip account and you want to select this URL file locker right here. Okay. And you want to click on this agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue. And once you do that, you want to come over to this website right here. So once you come over to this website right here, you want to basically look for an ebook, because if you don't give people value, then there's no need for them completing your content lockers. Okay. So you want to look for an ebook right here that you can give away for free and people can complete your CPA offers to get these ebooks. Okay. So basically I'm going to look for a weight loss ebook because it has a large audience and a lot of people are looking to lose weight every single day. Okay. So basically I'm just going to type in weight loss right here. All right. And I'm going to click on search. All right. So as you can see right here, we have a bunch of ebooks right here that we can give away to people who are interested in losing weight. And for them to access this ebook, they need to complete offers on our content locker and they get this ebook for absolutely free. And we make money. So it's that simple. So as you can see, this one right here, the weight loss cure, how to lose weight faster than before and keep it off forever. Okay, so this is going to be a perfect ebook for those who are trying to lose weight. So all I'm just going to do is click on this link right here. All right, so once it opens up, all you just need to do is click on this download button right here. So as you can see right here, the ebook has been downloaded to my PC. So once you do that, all you just need to do right here is to go over to mediafire.com and you want to click on this upload files now. So once that opens up, you want to locate your download folder and you want to basically just drag and drop this into Mediafire. So as you can see right here, it has been uploaded. Okay, so basically this is the link you are going to be locking. So if I copy this link right here and I paste it in a new tab, all right, as you can see right here, the weight loss cure. Okay, so this is the ebook right here. Okay, as you can see, the size of the ebook is 168 kilobytes. So all they need to do is click on download and they will get it for absolutely free. So this is the link we are going to be locking right here. And after they complete the CPA offers, they are going to be redirected to this page to download this book for free. So you want to come back to your Cpagrip account right here. So once you do that, so you want to paste in the Mediafire link right here in this locked URL section. Okay. You want to give your locker a name. So I'm just going to be saying, so I'm just going to be taking weight loss. So here I'm going to be changing this to 10 copies left. And then you want to highlight 10 right here and you want to change the color. So let's give it a red so that it stands out. Okay, you can see right here. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to go back to this page right here and you want to copy the image address. So you can see right here, copy image address, and you want to go back to your Cpagrip account right here. And then you want to click on this button right here that says insert image. And you want to paste in the URL right there. And you want to click on submit. So once you do that, you want to basically scroll down and refresh the page. Okay, so I'm going to click on this refresh preview. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the preview of the page, the weight loss cure. You can see this is the image right here, how to lose weight faster than ever before and keep it off forever. Okay, 10 copies left. And once they click on this begin download, they have to complete an offer right here and they will be redirected to this page right here. Okay, they will be redirected to this download page right here. Okay, so yeah, the next thing you want to do, you want to come over to this advanced section right here and you want to set the number of offers you want the visitors to complete. So literally this is up to you. Whatever offer you set right here, that is what they have to complete before they get access to download the ebook. Okay, so basically that is all you need to do in this page right here. Okay, and also if you scroll down right here, okay, you can see these are comments right here to give this a social proof. Okay, so what you want to do, you can basically come over to HTML section right here and you can change the name of the comments if you want. You can see this course short right here. Okay, you can see this is the name right here. Okay, so you can change that to whatever you want right here. So I'm just going to take, let's say, XB marketing right here. Okay, so once I do that, all I just need to do is click on this refresh preview. And if I click on that and scroll down, you can see we have XB marketing right here. So basically you can edit and change all these names right here. And you can also change the comments if you want. Okay, you can see right here. So if I scroll down, you can see this is the comment right here. So basically you can change it and make it say whatever you want. So that's all you need to do to customize your locker and increase your conversions. Okay, so once you're done, all you just need to do is come over to this show offers right here. And once you do that, you want to prioritize by CPA right here, okay? Because CPA offers requires them to usually submit an email, and that way you can get faster conversion. Okay, so basically you want to click on this CPA first, then CPI, then PIN, then credit. Okay, so if you select that, you can see right here, these are email submit offers right here at the top. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, so basically once they click on any of these offers, all they just need to do is submit their email and you get a conversion. So that's why it's very important that you select CPA first, then CPI, then PIN and credit. Okay, so once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this save right here. So once that open up, as you can see right here, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this get links right here. And once you click on that, you want to change this domain option to this file attribute. Okay, so once you click on that, all you just need to do is copy this link right here. Okay, so once you copy the link, then you want to head over to this website, cut.ly. You want to paste in the link right here. Okay, so once you paste in the link, you want to click on shorten. All right, as you can see right here, the link has been shortened. So you want to come over to Twitter and you want to type in keyword like this: I want to lose weight, or I need to lose weight. So basically you want to type in keywords that people who are interested in that niche are going to be typing on Twitter to find solution to their problem. You can see someone right here saying, I want to lose weight right here. All right, you can see someone right here saying, I can't go to work if I want to lose weight. So basically you can just tell them they can get this ebook and they can use this ebook to solve their weight loss problem. All right, you can see another person saying right here saying, I want to lose weight, but I'm lazy though. Okay, so basically you can see this is another person again. I want to lose weight, but I want to eat cookies at 2 a.m. All right, so you can see these are comments that are made just 10 hours ago. So you can see every single day people are trying to lose weight. So all you just need to do is come over to these people right here and click on this tweet right here and leave a reply to this tweet. And then you want to type in something simple like this. Okay, that's interesting. I also tried losing weight a few weeks ago. What most weight loss instructors teach is nothing but a fad until I found this amazing ebook and it completely changed everything for me. By the way, it's available here for free. So basically you want them to know they don't need to pay for the ebook and they can get it for absolutely free. Okay, as you can see right here, all I just need to do is click on reply right here. Okay, as you can see, the tweet has been sent, and Twitter did not block the link. So anyone who clicks on this tweet right here, they are going to see this tweet. Okay, so if anyone clicks on the link, as you can see right here, they will be brought to this page right here. And once they come over to this page, they are also going to see these comments made on this page. And once they click on this begin download, like I said, you can see these are the offers that is shown to them. These offers, all they just need to do is submit their email. So if I click on this offer right here, all right, you can see this is the offer right here: win $750 gift card. All right, so basically the offer is going to ask them a bunch of questions like, how do you have PayPal? Okay, so this question doesn't matter. It's just to make sure people are serious about completing this offer. All right, so if they click on this, all right, and they select how many times do you use Facebook a week. So basically if they click on any of these questions right here, okay, you can see right here, all they just need to do is type in their name, their last name, their email. And once they click on this continue right here, you make money. So you can see right here, it's very easy for them to complete the offer. It's nothing complicated at all. I'm going to get credited for this lead and they are going to get automatically redirected to this page where they can download this ebook for absolutely free. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So if I set 2 offers, it means they have to complete 2 offers on this list right here. And once they complete the 2 offers, I make money and they get to download this ebook for absolutely free. Okay, so basically that is all you need to do to reply as many tweets that are related to the keyword This person is not the only one who is going to see this reply right here. Anyone who clicks on this tweet is going to see this reply as well. And if the person clicks on this tweet, it means they are also interested in losing weight as well. So that way you can get free leads every single day. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.